So I got this magnetic suction cup phone mount, and I got this because I wanted some versatility in how I mount my phone and where I mount my phone, that kind of thing, especially in the car. But you can use this in other places too, like on desks, on mirrors, on really smooth surfaces, maybe like your refrigerator. Now, something to note about this is the manual option. They have electronic ones too, but I kind of like the manual one. You just flip this switch and it suctions onto whatever you have it attached to, and you can quickly unflip it and it's unsuctioned. So for example, right here, it's suctioned there right now, and you can pull this up and attach your phone to this plate pretty easily. And now it's unsuctioned pretty easily too. So like I said, it works really well on smooth surfaces, so it works well there. It will not work very well on textured surfaces, so it's not going to work very well on that. But smooth like that, or the windshield, or your windows, I've mounted it over there before, and it's going to give you a different look depending on where you mount it. So I've mounted it in all these places before, and I'll show you kind of what it looks like. It does come with a magnetic ring, so you can attach that to the back of your phone or to the back of your phone case. I already had a metal plate attached to the back of my phone case, and that works just fine with this magnet as well. But yeah, it's super easy to attach. You're just going to put it to the surface that you want to attach to, flip that switch, and then pull that down, and you can very easily attach it to your phone. From this angle, I'll show you what it looks like. So once it's up there, I can just very easily attach it using the metal plate on my phone, just like that. Or I can move the mount. I'm going to attach it right there. And I'll show you what that looks like with my phone mounted on it. So this is kind of the angle that you get from mounting the phone there on the side. I always wondered how people got that kind of look. I wondered if the phone was actually mounted outside the vehicle, and maybe some of them do that, but it's actually not completely necessary. You can just have it mounted to the window right there. And I think that's a pretty unique angle. I like that a lot. Next, I'll show you what it looks like way over there. Once again, a very different view, almost like a passenger type view. This suction mount really gives you various options in terms of filming in a car, which is what I love a lot about it. And you can use it from filming in various other places around the house too, whether the bathroom mirror, the kitchen fridge, on a desk or something like that. Like I said, the only thing it really doesn't do is attach to textured surfaces very well. But if it's a reasonably smooth surface, I really like how easy it is to use. Really gives you a lot of flexibility. I like it a lot. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything. If this review helped you, we'd love a super thanks. Even just $1 or $2 really helps us out. And also buy the product using our links, and hopefully we'll be able to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.